Hey guys, so I'll try and make this very quick and very short. So for example, I've got a situation where I've got 100 and I want to type it out as 100. So I'm doing this manually. However, there is a way for me to do this using a formula, but I have to add it into Excel. It's not there by default. First of all, I need to go to developer. And once I get to developer, Visual Basic, and once I get to Visual Basic, where's my worksheet? This is the current sheet I'm in. Then I add in the formula, which I've just done, and save it in. Once I've done that, you will actually notice that there is a formula that comes up that was not there before. Let me just put it in right now. Let me just set 200 right now, and the formula comes in as equals spell number. Spell number, click the number, it adds it in. Let me actually try a random number. 8 point whatever, and then equals spell number, and then select it, enter. It gives you the exact numbers you're looking for. So if you want this particular code that gives you this formula called spell number, let me know, and let us know actually, and then we'll send it to you for free. Thank you very much, and catch you on the next one.